What's good, YouTube? Today we got Wavy AD coming out his dreads.
Oh my god, y'all are cooked. Everybody said, alright, Duke Dennis came out. He said that shit was fake.
Yeah, bro.
So, this nigga was still a leader, bro.
This
nigga was still the head honcho, bro. He had locks before Duke. He had the worms.
That's bro. Look at this nigga, bro.
Well, Duke had locks when he was a kid, but he had like locks before grown Duke type shit.
We about to get into
He cut that, bro. He colored them bitches out.
It's your boy Wavy AD, and today I just announced that I would be restarting my locks. What the? No! AKA cutting my locks off, AKA combing my locks off, AKA, getting a new look. And the method I think I have decided that I want to do is the comb out method. If you are unfamiliar with if you are unfamiliar with the shit,
cause he got light skin, like his hair is like soft.
The comb out method is the comb out method is where you take each individual lock, which if you're not familiar with what locks are, locks
no
are
matter how locked they get, they're never gonna be like that.
nappy hair.
Why are you giving us a tutorial on what locks are, gang?
Yeah, bro.
What is this, gang?
In layman's terms, for those who don't know,
We just hear you see
I don't want to
restart.
have locks out here, when I just have them in the back, do a little cornrow to the sides, so you can't really disguise it. My hair still go over, the other parts until I get to, that last little stride. I'm just gonna power through it. But ain't really too much more talking to do, man. I need to go to the store real quick though and grab some conditioner. But I'm just so thirsty that I want to do one real quick. So I'm gonna do one real quick. So
I'm just so
I want
thirsty.
y'all to know how long this takes. It is currently 7:18, and this is how long the lock is.
Ew, he got all that
This
fucking
is actually one that I had
so
crocheted
basically
when
like
it was shorter, so it's 2 in 1. So it should be, a nice amount of hair here. I found some conditioner. We're just gonna throw some of this on here real quick, cause I wanna see.
This nigga Wavy, bro.
This nigga Wavy came a long way, man.
Couple gallons.
2 hours later.
Alright, y'all. It is 7:32.
He got that shit out quick.
4:10. But all the way come through.
Ew, he got it like
Still a
real
lot of hair
down.
left. Definitely still a lot of hair left. But I did lose. This is just from one line. So
That's not bad, man.
That's not bad at
It's
all.
gonna be a journey for sure. For sure you're right on. But
He happy as fuck. Stop doing that. What are you doing? Pulling your hair out. You're not doing anything. You're just pulling more out.
No, Wavy, that's not it, bro. I knew it.
This nigga
Stop.
Stop it.
Oh, dude, that hurts my heart, bro. Like, it's already combed out. Like, that's just literally just pulling his hair out. Like,
total of 5. Just go ahead and knock out this. So on the roster we got 3 rat tails with 2 on standby because they gonna be cooked.
that shit
I
out.
know, he got
man.
shit.
We got a second bottle of
He
this
said no.
just so we can
Stop
have
doing
extra.
that.
And then we got 2 bottles that we gonna put conditioner in and put water in so that we can dip it in the locks and have some conditioner water. So go fill these up and we're gonna get right back into it. Great bonding moment for you and your
That is
girlfriend,
girl.
She be doing his locks.
Tight shit.
So
He came a long way, man.
Came a long way from the wormies.
He definitely did.
it took 14 minutes to do one. Take 14 minutes to do every single one of these live, bro. It's gonna be a couple days, man. Alright, so in this clip here, you're gonna see kind of what we had to do for every single lock. Literally take, your conditioner water, put the dread up in the conditioner water. Give it a nice little shake. Make sure the locks all saturated and, soft and ready to get combed out. obviously, you know, I gotta overdo things, so you know, I do a little over exaggeration right there. But as you see,
Like you're
everything
just
dripping.
wasting it. You don't need to be like,
No, dude.
like now you're just wasting it.
Nah, but next you grab your comb, go ahead and start combing out. Start at the base,
Probably
no diddy,
water down.
and then you know, you can use the long side, no diddy, and start kind of picking at. Alright, y'all. It is 11:23.
Damn, they're tired of him.
So I think we
They
started
got
at
like a
51.
mac and sleeve.
But I think we made some good progress. You know, we got a natural stopping point. You know, time to go to sleep. You know, a little bit tired. So whenever she finishes up with this last one, I'm gonna show you the results as well as you know the mess that has been created. Like you know, unfortunately, you know, some things didn't make it through the you know the first date. Alright, y'all. So this is
Damn.
the big old aftermath of about 20 something. Like I said, we probably did about 21 plus the 6 that I had already combed out. That's about 27. I only had 127 locks, so roughly about 100 to go. So
That's long ass hair, bruh.
He do got a lot of hair.
probably got more hair than your girlfriend, man. But hey, day one.
Man, y'all girlfriend, man.
What's good, everybody? It is day 2.
And them bitches still look hard.
We actually went ahead and threw 3 Felicia braids back there in the back, just to contain them a little better, just so you know I can look a little.
I fuck with those braids
stuff
though.
like that.
Why do I fuck with
It's gonna get to the
braids?
point where that's not gonna be possible anymore. So we're gonna keep going though. I actually had to
Yeah, his
stop at
girl's
the
tough.
pet store, which I've seen that in a couple people's videos where they went to the pet store and grabbed some pet homes. So I did grab some of those just because the plastic ones they're too brittle. They break too easy. We're gonna be buying multiple of them anyway, so might as well just get some nice bro there. Which one to pick? So I just kind of was like, let's grab meat and to comb the locks out. I started bagging up my hair meat though, so I'm gonna start selling my hair meat by the pound. So this bag of hair meat is the day one hair meat, and I haven't come up with a price yet. We getting there. We definitely make progress. Alright, y'all. We got to eat some food, and we're about to set up for part 2. She thinks we can get it done today. Didn't they?
Yes.
She thinks we can get it done today. We got. I think we said. I said we already got 83 locks left, so we got 83 locks. She said she thinks we can get it done today. Right now it is 7:25. So if Bay said we can get it done, I guess we ain't got no choice but to get it done. So I'll stop doing a little talking. I actually get y'all a little ASMR, you know, a little bit of, you know, a little bit of.
That is trolling.
Are you serious, bro?
Alright, everybody. It is 9:41. And we're on number 13 apiece. We've been keeping track, so that is a total of 26 locks. And I don't know how much time, because I think I showed you on camera like what 7:50 something. I don't know. You guys know, so you'll know on the video. But moral of the story is, you know, a lot of hair meat added to the pile, and we still got. I mean, we're getting there. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get a little view up there. A little view from that right there. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's getting somewhere, you know. But still got a good amount to go. So I just want to check on y'all, let y'all know what was going on, and yeah. And I took the next day off, so I got one day to get this finished because I can't be out here with locks, a fro, braids, and twisting my head. Like that's
very good.
If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, you know, hit that notification bell so you get put up. I don't know if you. So we got to blow dry it. We got treatment. You know what I'm saying? I'm just naming stuff that I've heard in my life that we're probably not gonna do to my hair, but there are things that we gotta get done. We're gonna have to trim, but so you know, I'm gonna let her do her thing. You know, then you gotta be. I done poke like your nails like silly. Alright, y'all. So this is the end of day 2. we did a total lock count, and we have about 50 locks left. So
They thought
as
that,
you
yo.
see, they are all the ones up top. So I technically have high top locks right now. I never thought I'd see the day where, you know, your boy has high top locks, but you know, it has been done. It is officially a fact. You know,
Really, bro, it's
some
going
Vato
up.
braids. Got the cornrow to the back. Got the Huey. Is it Huey on the braids and locks? Got the Huey braids. Riley. Got the Riley braids. That I didn't really watch Boondocks too much. But anyways, as you can see, I've been growing my high top out for, you know, quite a minute
Yeah,
now.
his girl's a good
So
ass
I think I'm just
braider.
gonna comb out my high top instead of,
Mm-hmm.
you know, locking up the sides. You know,
Like, even when she's
Kinda
half
opposite
assing, it's
everybody
still
else.
good.
But y'all see the high top? Biggest thing with me is like, I can't believe people walk around like this. It's like, this is literally like my high top, basically.
Oh my
If I were to have a high top,
God.
this is how long my hair would be.
Ass.
Cause that's crazy, man. But I'm going to bed, man. I'm gonna see how
That's how Evan be, bro. Hot toss is
day
really shit.
3, man. Started day 3.
This shit would have looked
As
like.
in these locks and on my scalp. So my scalp and my hair can't wait to take a shower and actually wash my hair. It is going to be the best day of my life. So I'm going to get started right now. My girlfriend's at work right now, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm knock a couple of them out while I'm waiting for her. But you know, hey.
Starting today,
Oh,
anyone can
fuck.
monetize with ads.
Yeah,
As part of the all-new Beehive ad.
You know, we've been at this pillow ain't moved. I've been sitting right here. None of this stuff right here has moved. You know, for I'm trying to do this shit. Nobody. So we finna lock in. Well, actually, I mean, technically we're unlocking right now, right?
Yeah.
We're not locking in no more.
This nigga's
But,
corny
you
as
know,
hell.
We'll go ahead and, you know, I gotta find a new word. I can't be using locked in no more. I'm not locky like that no more. So I can't use locked in. It just feels wrong.
Oh my
So I gotta
god.
find a new word. Alright, so it is
Oh my god, this nigga. Cause this
12
whole
o'clock
life is
midnight, and we have just finished up the rest of my head. As y'all can see, there is one lock left, and if you have been with me since day one, you know what lock this is, man. Dreads, man. I know we all got that favorite dread, man. Go ahead and duet this video, man, and show me your favorite dread, man. This one right here. This is my favorite lock right here, man. This is the lock that started it all, man. It's kind of a bittersweet moment, but you know, just like all the other ones, it got to go. But before I give you guys another like view of everything, you know, bathroom use some better lighting. Just want to give you guys the final image of day 3. Another pile of hair meat that has to be bagged up and then sold separately. You know, we used to
no way he's actually selling
my
it.
God, ended up lasting, you know, the whole time. So that is one thing I can say. I barely use this piece of stuff. It was mainly this piece right here. This what got me through everything. My girl, she used this comb right here, which was pretty good comb as well. But yeah. Now it is time to officially go and take care of this one. Alright, boom, we are in the bathroom. Like I said, we got better lighting in here. You already know what we're looking like. Obviously, when I get done with this lock, I'm gonna take everything out and show y'all. I'm probably not gonna do like a detailed wash yet. It's not so long. This is
The favorite lock, man.
starting this one at 12:05. And I'll see how long it takes me to get this one done.
The favorite lock is gone. Top hair 4 times.
Ain't no way.
8 minutes to get combed through. And now let's see. You keep some length, but
Damn, he said keep some length, but
obviously it shrinks up, man. You do lose a decent amount of hair, so. I am officially no longer locked. The locks are officially gone. That was the last one. This one looked a lot shorter, just because it was part of front taper, and that's what my front taper was kind of, getting messed up at. So that's, why this is longer, because this was a lock, and then this was the taper getting going on. So that's what I'm kind of into it. If I know somebody will say something about it, but yeah, that's the reason why it looks a little weird. But, oh my god, it feels weird not having like a whole bunch of hair on top of your head when you shake your head, bro. But anyways, it is 12:13. Been a long day.
I definitely feel like this shit. That's how he shook it.
We like 3 poop.
Yeah, I bet you don't think my shit gonna be this long.
Oh shit, his
I'm a little thirsty,
booming.
And see what the fro's looking like,
Ew, his shit's booming.
Booming as fuck. He really cut all the dreads off.
God,
bro.
that's better than the dreads.
That
bro.
is better
Real
than the
hair
dreads.
is better than the dreads, bro.
Stop playing.
And the growth is crazy.
We
If you
gotta
like,
get
bro,
something done with it.
because the dreads keep all your hair
Arms
growing
well,
fast as
we still got hair, man. Don't get it misconstrued.
fast.
More hair than your girlfriend. More hair than your
He
mom.
has this for 2
More hair
years.
than your sister.
2 years worth.
More hair than your
That's a good
daughter.
amount.
You should not die.
Sorry.
That's a lot.
Hey, I'm gonna go to bed. Alright, guys, in this video, I forgot to show you like the grand total, like all the hair that I lost all together. So I'm gonna show you that right now. And before I show you YouTube, this is just hair. This is not nothing else. This is all hair meat. It's for sale, but it's just hair meat. Alright, so boom. Got a couple.
Real ones know what that shit look like, man.
This is all day 2.
He put it on the scale and
This
shit.
back taper here right here, you know what I'm saying? It's that exotic. Nah, but that's this day 1. Got a nice weight to it. This all day 2, and then this was the final day. Like, but all together, as y'all can see, it is a lot of hair. So just want to show you that before the end of the video. Now y'all know how much hair I lost. Yes, sir. Alright.
He got
That's
the
the shrinkage.
He got the Michael Jackson.
They're all freshly washed.
Ooh, his hair is long as fuck.
I'm trying to do a little old school way. I'm gonna do one. Picking.
There you go, the pick.
Yeah, man, you're just taking out more hair, bro. Just wait till you get your style, man.
Gotta do this. But going from locks to a fro, first day, obviously.
Bro's just killing his hair. This is what y'all don't do, Shaq.
Yeah, this is what y'all do not want to do. I don't want to just be picking out your hair, bro. No
Literally,
reason.
just don't. Just
Like for no reason. I mean, if he's picking out his hair, you want to be picking out your hair for like a reason, like not just like
picking it off for lane.
yeah, like
You
just
trying to
to
make
see
it look
your
longer.
lane. Like that's losing hair. Like when it goes back to that normal state, there's gonna be less hair.
Literally.
Like,
That's
it's
it
gonna
for
look
y'all
long because
niggas,
it's
man.
poofy, but it's crazy. Wavy AD really don't got no locks no more.
That's
man.
crazy, but
He was y'all head honcho. Y'all niggas are really cooked. Like, I'm a braid nigga. I fuck with the braids. Like, I don't know. It was just something about real hair. That's it for me. But I don't know, bro. I feel like the braids is it. The braids is gonna be it now. Everybody's getting braids. Why is everybody starting to get the fro to get the braids?
yeah, bro.
That's
Braids
crazy.
is it, bro. Everybody keep cutting y'all dreads off, bro.
So he
love
can
y'all,
he gonna be
He's
he's gonna be the only dreadhead like
Alright, man.
the
We
only
out.
nonchalant dreadhead left.